In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable booking functionality on your website. This feature is essential for businesses that want to offer appointment-based services directly from their site, allowing clients to conveniently book times that work for them. Let's dive right in. First, we're going to create a new product within your website builder store management area. This process generally begins under the Products section. Here, you will want to select Appointment as the type of product you are adding. This setup will form the backbone of your booking system and is crucial for organizing your services. Next, it's time to configure the details for your appointment. Start by giving it a clear and descriptive title. This might be something straightforward like consultation or specific like Service A. The title is the first thing your clients will notice. So make sure it's both informative and inviting. Now decide on the duration of each appointment slot. This will help in managing your schedule effectively and ensure clients know how much time to expect. You'll also want to set your availability carefully. Specify your working hours and include any breaks or periods when you won't be available to ensure there are no booking conflicts. If your appointments are priced, ensure you set the cost within the system. This step is critical if you are charging for your time, as it directly affects your revenue stream. In the description section, offer a detailed explanation of the service. Be as specific as you can to avoid any confusion about what you are offering. Customizing the booking form fields is the next step. Tailor these fields to capture all the essential information you need from clients. This might be their names, emails, phone numbers, and any specific requests they might have. A well-designed form can streamline the booking process and provide you with valuable client insights. Moving on to integration and launching, it's time to showcase your appointment options on your website. Consider adding them to relevant pages, such as a services page or a dedicated Book Now page. This makes it easy for visitors to find and book the services they need. If your appointments are paid, integrating a secure payment processing system is essential. Connect to reliable gateways like Stripe or PayPal to handle transactions efficiently and safely. Before going live, ensure everything functions as expected by testing your booking system thoroughly. Approach this from a client's perspective to identify any potential issues in the booking journey. Once everything is set and functioning correctly, it's time to take the final step, publishing your website. This action makes your new booking features accessible to clients, opening up a new realm of convenience for both your business and its patrons. And that's how you can enable a seamless and efficient booking functionality on your website.